Hey guys, back with episode 9. He already has another mythic on because he's cheating.
Yeah, better.
No, you got that rod for free, bro. Don't even.
You got the stingray.
I did. That was a stingray. Oh, that was a glitch. I saw it too. What is this? I have another one. Okay, bro, these can't break the game. There's 3 on my line. Oh my god. These carp really like to break the game. And there's always like, and then they're both on the line and they break and... Can you like give that to me, please? Carp, don't break the game. Okay, thanks. Why do I always have to hurt everything? Like my thumb and then my leggy.
And then you just ate some wax earlier, so that's not good.
Yeah, I ate some wax earlier, guys. I'm smart enough. Give me Napoleon! I'm about to go delete. Is that another stingray?
Yeah.
Can you just give it to me? I only have 1 magma. Why do I keep hitting my foot so much? Oh. Oh my god. Oh, my foot hurts. I keep hitting it. Okay, these stupid magma cards. No, you got that rod for free. Shut the crappy up.
Guys, getting
Are you saying get better, but really you just have a... Yes, I'm not trying to catch mythic right now.
You can still be a mega if you turn me on.
Womp womp. I didn't even see if that's a Napoleon fish.
I hate this carp.
I know, they're so annoying.
Why did you do that? I was moving my screen.
Right there. Oh my god, what was that cast? Oh, a Napoleon fish. Why is he dying already? He's exploding! Wow, why? I didn't see one of those. Can I have your stingrays, please? Do you have another mythic on?
Yeah.
Oh my god. He's exploding. Bro, you missed the whole mythic. Bro.
I don't care.
I want that stingray, please.
Just kill me yourself.
Bro's mad now. Guys, he's sad that he didn't catch the mythic. He's gonna explode now.
I'm about to let it if it's a big project. Oh, for a second, I thought that was a carp.
Yes, stingray! Yes, finally!
About time.
I know, right? If I lose this, I'm game.
No!
Okay.
I need to keep it. I can't.
It's so big! Wait, he's neon too, right? Blue?
Yeah, neon.
Okay, I would keep that, but you need it at the same time, and he's so gosh darn small though.
It doesn't even count as one anyways.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Bruh, now we don't know whose fish is whose.
I can tell if you have one.
Oh, I don't know which is which. Okay, so the one, okay, we both keep getting the same fish. You got carp, I got carp, bruh. I got a stingray. I accidentally pressed it. I don't want a stingray again. That's Napoleon fish.
Why is it green?
Oh. I thought you said you had too much mythic.
Yeah, but it's still fun getting. To give a good fight.
Yeah, they are pretty hard to catch. Yes, another Napoleon fish. What is my luck right now?
I have the worst luck for the Napoleon.
I can really tell.
I don't want to clownfish. I don't want to eat fish.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Napoleon fish. and one stingray. So I need 4 more Napoleon fish. Not bad. Then I can go see her. Yeah, because we have 50 minutes total.
Can you wait for me so when I get mine?
Yeah, because then I'll just be trying to catch mythics after.
Oh my god.
Well, if my inventory is full.
Napoleon! I'm on the street, tree bags, and on them, top digit.
It's a mythic, I'll take it.
I'm not doing this Napoleon fish. It's like when you're up to the fish, you don't get it, but you get the better fish. Fish.
Of course, when I'm trying to get something else, I have mythics all of a sudden.
This is a crawfish.
Yes.
I said I don't want to you fish.
Come on, give me Napoleon. Gosh darn it, that's a carp. Napoleon! Ice cream! Oh.
I keep guessing ice fish.
Napoleon!
I'm moving my rod.
Yes, I got another Napoleon finally. You should use a less luck thing. Because Napoleon are like right in the middle. And your thing is made for a lot of luck.
Oh, okay, let me just. Oh my god! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. 8. Magma moonfish.
Bro? Wait, magma? Seriously?
Yes.
Bruh.
I'm using the spaghetti.
Wait, they're moonfish, right?
Yes.
Oh, bro, your bobber's a cheese. Your bobber's a thingy. Your bobber's a meatball, bro. Yes, another Napoleon fish. 2 more.
This game is rigged. Finally, lost luck actually helps.
See, I told you. I still only need 2 more, though.
Really? I still need 5.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try and catch mythics after.
I still need 5, though. That's the thing. Oh, let's play to the bag.
Je m'appelle dans tes yeux. Je m'envoie dans la mer. Just come and have it. I forgot the other words.
So bad.
I forgot the name of that song. What's the name of that song?
Plastic.
La burracastic?
Lemon plastic.
Lemon plastic?
What? Okay, translation on the Napoleon.
Wait, what's it called?
Apple or plastic.
Oh, I heard lemon in plastic. Amour en plastic, okay.
I need 4 more. Don't give me a neon.
Give me a neon. I need 1 more, please. 1. Oh, bruh. Come on, bro. Yes. Finally, guys, I have my last Napoleon fish, and then I can go make it. Well, unless I remember how to count. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.
Please on the side of your screen, you tuck ahead.
Wait, what?
It says request and tells you how much fish you got.
Oh, I didn't.
May I please get the
I didn't track it yet. That's why. I wish I could trade fish, because I would just catch more Napoleon fish and give them to you. Right? Another one?
Yeah, thank you for that being.
I have another Napoleon fish on the line.
Kill me.
Did bro just say kill me?
Yes.
Bruh. Chill.
If you have 1 more Napoleon fish on the line, I'm casting to where you are.
Poor burbotgaming. He's sad. I still can't believe my first one was a gosh darn neon large.
Wait, that means it. Oh, you're the.
I got another one.
I know, I saw that.
What if I get another one? You'll sell me? That's sad.
Wait, no, that was outlawed in 1860. There you go, Justin, I'm sorry to you.
How much more do you need?
3.
I need 0.
No, duh.
Yes, duh. I like duds a lot.
Did you catch an automatic? Oh, dude, no,
Yeah, I did. Whoop, whoop. I'm just kidding. You finally have one? That's crazy. Now I kind of want it to be neon just for the fun of it. I want it to be neon just for the fun of it, because that'd be funny.
Wait, I was like,
I still haven't got another mythic. I'm sorry.
at least you got all the fish you're after.
I might go see if I can catch some magma swordfish. After the 5 next fish. Oh, that's a Napoleon fish. I thought it was a moonfish. That's another. Oh, that was a moonfish. I didn't realize. I only saw the back. Gosh darn it. I'm sad now, guys. Well, since I saw it, now I'm just gonna wait till I get another one.
There's so many fish in there, I want them to come off.
Yeah, I wish you could retract all the ones and like, wish you could. Did you just lose it?
Yeah, I had 4 fish on there, like, wow.
Oh, you had the glitch. The 5 next fish starting now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more. 5. I'll take a stingray.
Yes. You can go more after this.
Yeah, 5 more. Okay, 1.
1 more.
2.
Oh, yes.
3.
Wait, what did we go and see?
4. And hold on, last one. 5. Yes, I got it. On my 5th fish. I counted a 5 and it was actually the mythic. Oh my god. What is that luck, boys? Oh, I thought it was for a second. It's large though.
That's big.
Okay, I'm coming. Wait, I'm just murder myself now. Wait, hold on, this is where we spawn. I can't go up. Hello? To be honest, might as well reset. We'll get there way faster. I wonder how much that mythic would sell for. Seriously? I wonder how much that moonfish will sell for. It sells for $600. Holy. but I'm not gonna sell it. I'm just gonna go put all my fish before I somehow sell everything on accident again.
Okay, I'm here. Okay, where's all the stuff?
It's the bait place, like the bait shop. Okay, talk. Oh, we get gems. Yay. Wait, I got something. You get 5, like, 5 crystal purple things. But I got this thing. Rare candy? What does it do? I just threw it. You can throw it. Please. Allows you to catch unique candy fish. Only works in Monsters Burrow? What?
Yes, I'm going. Let's go.
Matt, we have a problem.
What?
Where's Monsters Burrow?
It's where you attach the pipe, where you touch the tunnel.
Hold on, I need to sell my fish. I need to sell my fish.
Oh yeah, that's smart.
Okay, I just locked the candy. Just in case.
What?
Well, yeah, because you can actually sell the candy.
Really?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not
Wait,
cool.
life isn't adding up. Wait, what? I have two things.
Yes, I still have mine. I'm going. Wait, I need more luck. I'm putting on back.
Sure. Hold on. I need to cook. Okay? Well, no, we have this for infinite time, right?
I don't think so. Well, yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put everything in my aquarium first before,
Same.
so then I have as much room as possible. I might go buy a new bag because I have 4K pretty much.
Wait, mythics? This is a new mythic I caught? And another mythic. I got 2 mythics here. One of my
Okay, now that looks nice. I have a real nice tank now.
First click maybe to the mega tank, which I can put my entrance where I know how to friend.
Hold on, let me see if I can go get a new bag real quick. I think it's 3,200 if I'm not wrong. Guys, please give me luck. Backpacks. 2,500? What's the next one? 8,000. Okay. Okay, well, I guess I'm getting that. Well, I still have a K1.5 left, so let's see if I can get a new spear. Oh, I can. I have a new spear too, man. Let's go. I have a new backpack and a new spear. Okay, spawn your boat. I'll dive onto it. What?
There's 4 goldfish, but there's no tank.
Where are you?
I give up. I didn't use the candy. It's still a special thing.
There you are, I see you. I'm booking it.
You're so close.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Yo, 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 yo. It's only 20 minutes.
Are we gonna make a really video about the candy?
Hey guys, we're gonna end it here. Bye.